Many people put off having a last will and testament drafted because they don't want to think about it or because they expect it will cost too much. A will is not expensive and it doesn't take long for an attorney to draft. If you have children or assets, you really should have a will. In Virginia, you don't have to have a lawyer draft your will. A Virginia probate court will recognize a will so long as it is written by the testator, signed by the testator, has testamentary language in it, and is dated. This is often referred to as a holographic will. The problem with a holographic will is they are more difficult to probate. If your will is drafted by an attorney, the attorney will include witnesses, notaries, and self-proving language that will make the probate process less expensive and less time-consuming. When trying to determine how you want your affairs handled after you pass, you really have three choices. You can choose not to have any will at all, you can have a will, or you can have a trust. The benefits to not having a will are you don't have to spend any time or money and you don't have to think about it. However, the disadvantages are that a judge will decide who takes control of your assets using state law to direct who receives your assets regardless of your desires. Probate expenses, taxes, and creditors may consume a major portion of your assets. The state will also determine when your minor children would receive their inheritance and who will be their guardian. With a will, you choose your executor, who will take control of your assets. You will designate who benefits from your estate and what they will receive. And you choose the guardian of any minor children. Disadvantages of having a will are that probate expenses, taxes, and creditors may consume a portion of your assets. With a trust, your trustee takes control of your assets immediately after your death without the need for probate. You will designate who benefits from your estate and what they receive. And you choose the guardian of any minor children and have complete control over their inheritance. Probate can be avoided, taxes can be minimalized, and some creditors can be avoided. The disadvantages of a trust are it takes more planning and is more expensive than a will. The attorneys at John W. Lee PC can help you draft important documents including a last will and testament, a power of attorney, a medical directive, and a trust. If you've been thinking about what will happen to your loved ones if something should happen to you, call us for a free consultation.